Hi, welcome to math classes. Let's solve question number 3 in exercise 3.2 in chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Class 10 NCERT Maths. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution using substitution method. So you should first form a pair of linear equations. After forming linear equations, we should find the solution. The question is, the taxi charges in a city consists of fixed charges together with the charge for distance covered. So how do they rate the taxi? There is fixed charge and as per the distance traveled there is additional charge. That is, you have two charges. One is fixed charge and other charge is variable. It depends on the number of kilometers you travel. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105 rupees. If you travel a distance of 10 kilometers, you need to pay 105. And for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155 rupees. So if you travel 15 kilometers, you need to pay 155 rupees. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? As you already know, there are two types of charges. One is fixed charge and the other is charge based on number of kilometers. They are asking to find both these fixed charges and charge per kilometer. How much does the person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? They are also asking to find the charge if person travels a distance of 25 kilometers. Let's solve the problem. First, let us consider fixed charges. Let us assume fixed charges as X and charge per kilometer. For 1 kilometer, let the charge be Y. So, how much ever the distance you travel, there will be fixed charges. Let that fixed charges be X and per 1 kilometer travel, let the charge be Y. Then they told that they have traveled 10 kilometers distance and the charge they paid is 105 rupees. So, based on this, you can form an equation. So, whatever distance you travel, you have fixed charges. So, X plus how many kilometers they travel? 10 kilometers. 10. For 1 kilometer, it is Y rupees. So, for 10 kilometers, it will be 10 into Y. How much did they pay? 105 rupees. So, you got first equation. For 10 kilometers, that means there will be fixed charges. Fixed charges is X plus for 1 kilometer, you will charge Y rupees. For 10 kilometers, it will be 10 into Y. So, total you will get fixed charge plus variable charge. X plus 10Y is equal to 105 rupees. This is first equation. And for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155 rupees. So, again we will have fixed charges. X plus they have traveled 15 kilometers. So, per 1 kilometer it is Y rupees. For 15 kilometers it will be 15 into Y. So, X plus 15Y is equal to what? They have given it is 155 rupees. So, we are able to frame two equations. Based on these two equations, let's find the fixed charges and charge per kilometer. First equation is X plus 10Y is equal to 105. So, value of X is 105 minus 10Y. Substitute the value of X in second equation. Second equation is what? X plus 15Y is equal to 155. So, value of X is what? 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y. Plus 15Y is equal to 155. 105 minus 10y plus 15y. You get plus 5y is equal to 155. 5y is equal to 155 minus 105. So 5y is equal to 155 minus 105 is what? 50. Y is equal to 50 by 5. So y is equal to 50 by 5 is 10. So you got the value of y as 10. Now let's take first equation. X plus 10y is equal to 105. So x plus 10, y value already got as 10, is equal to 105. X is equal to what? 105. 10 into 10 is 100. If you get to right side, it will become minus 100. So x is equal to 5 rupees. So the fixed charge you got as rupees 5. Fixed charge is rupees 5. This is fixed charge, and charge per kilometer, that is y. That means you got 10 rupees. One is fixed charge, one is charge per kilometer. Now one part of question is solved. You got fixed charge as 5 rupees and the charge per kilometer as 10 rupees. Now they are asking they had traveled a distance of 25 kilometers. What is their charge? They have traveled 25 kilometers. There will be fixed charges 6 plus they have traveled what? 25 kilometers. So 25 into y. X plus 25 into y. This is their charge. X is what? Fixed charge is 5 rupees plus 25 into per kilometer, it is y rupees. Y is what? 10. So 25 into 10, 5 plus 250. So 250 plus 5 is what? 255 rupees. 255 rupees. So if they travel a distance of 25 kilometers, the charge will be 255 rupees. You are able to find fixed charge, you are able to find charge per kilometer, and then now you are able to find the charge for a distance of 25 kilometers. Next question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it will become 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Let us assume numerator of the fraction is x, and let us assume denominator of the fraction is y. That is, let us assume the fraction is, this is the fraction x by y. Okay, the fraction is x by y. Numerator you have x, denominator you have y. They are telling that if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So for numerator they added 2, and for denominator also they added 2. Then what will be the fraction? X plus 2 by y by 2. They are telling it will become 9 by 11. This is the first part of the question they have given. Let's do cross multiplication. 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. You get 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. 11x plus 9y on right side, if it comes to left side, it will become minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. 11x minus 9y is equal to, you get 18 minus 22 is minus 4. This is the first equation. Okay. Now from the first equation, can we find the value of x? 11x is equal to what? Minus 4 plus 9y. That means x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11. You got from the first equation, you got the value of x as minus 4 plus 9y by 11. Now if you see the second part of the question, they said if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction will become 5 by 7. So for numerator, if you add 3, it will become x plus 3. For denominator, if you add 3, it will become y plus 3. The equation, they are telling it fraction will become 5 by 6. Let's solve it. It will become 6x plus 6 3 is 18. Do cross multiplication. 6 into x plus 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5 into y plus 3, 5y plus 15. So 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. So you get 6x minus 5y is equal to what? Minus 3. This is second equation. So you are able to form two equations. Now let us solve it. When you solve the first equation, you got the value of x. Let's substitute in the second equation. 6 into minus 4 plus 9y by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. LCM is 11. So you get 6 4s are 24 minus 24 plus 9 6 are 54y. 11 is the LCM. So you get minus 55y here is equal to minus 3. 54y minus 55y. 54 minus 55, you get minus y. Minus 24, you have minus 24 here. This 11 is in denominator. If it goes to right side, it will come to numerator, it will become multiplication. So minus 3 into 11, minus 33. On both sides you have minus, so it will become minus, will get cancelled on both sides. You will get what? Y plus 24 is equal to 33. Y is equal to 33 minus 24. You get what? 30 minus 24 is 6. You have here, you get 9. Y is equal to 9. Now you got the value of y. Let's take first equation. First equation is what? 11x. You have first equation here. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 11x minus 9. Y value is 9 again. 11x minus 81 is equal to minus 4. 11x is equal to plus 81. If it comes to right side, 81 minus 4, you get what? 80 minus 4 is 76. You have 1 here extra, so 77. 11x is equal to 77. X is equal to 77 balance. So x is equal to 7. You got value of y, you got value of x. They are asking to find the fraction. We have assumed fraction as x by y. So the fraction will be what? 7 by 9. This is our answer. This is the fraction. 7 by 9. Next question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So, let us consider present age. Present age of Jacob as x and present age of his son is y. So Jacob's present age is x and Jacob's son's present age is y. They are telling that 5 years hence. Hence means from now. That means after 5 years. After 5 years. Hence means after 5 years. Okay. After 5 years, the age of Jacob. After 5 years. So it will become present age of Jacob is x. After 5 years, Jacob's age is will what? X plus 5. Will be means equal to 3 times that of his son. After 5 years, his son is also will be y plus 5. So 5 years. Hence, that means after 5 years, Jacob's age will be 3 times that of his son. After 5 years, son's age will also be y plus 5. Present age of son is y. After 5 years, son's age will be what? Y plus 5. They are telling 5 years from now, Jacob's age will be 3 times. 3 times means multiplication. X plus y. This is Jacob's age after 5 years will be 3 times. So 3 into 3 times means multiplication. 3 into age of his son after 5 years. So 3 into y plus 5. If you solve, you will get x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. X minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. So x minus 3y is equal to 10. You are able to form first equation. From this the value of x will be 10 plus 3y. Okay, if you see second part of the question, 5 years ago. Ago means what? Before 5 years. So present age of Jacob is x. So 5 years ago his age will be x minus 5. They are telling Jacob's age 5 years ago. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 7 times, that means 7 into that of his son. His son age 5 years ago will be what? Y minus 5. His son's present age is y. 5 years ago his age will be y minus 5. They are telling 7 times. So you wrote 7 into x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. X minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Minus 5 on left side will become plus 5 on right side. X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. This is second equation. When you solve the first equation, you got x is equal to 10 plus 3y. Let's substitute that in second equation. 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Minus 7y plus 3y is what? Minus 4y is equal to minus 30. So you get what? 10 minus 30. If it comes to left side, it will become plus 30. Minus 4y, it is on left side. If it comes to right side, it will become plus 4y. 40 is equal to 4y. 4 ones, 4 tens. So y is equal to 10. So y is nothing but son's present age. You got son's present age as what? 10 years. This is son's present age. Jacob's son's present age. If you take first equation, what is first equation? X minus 3y is equal to 10. You got value of y as 10. Substitute that. X minus 3 into 10 is 30 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 plus 30. That is 40. So this is Jacob's present age. Jacob's present age is 40 years. They are asking to find present ages of both Jacob and his son. Jacob's present is 40 years. Present age of Jacob is 40 years and present age of his son, Jacob's son, is 10 years. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.